Preparation. Non-sterile staff open the box and take out a kit. Open the outer pouch and transfer the content to the sterile field. Sterile staff open pouches and place content ready for use. Placing the retractor. Position frame as required. Unique cam locks firmly secure the retractor, allowing for single hand adjustments if needed. Hold the frame with one hand, fasten a stay in the tissue and gently pull back to fasten the tail end in the groove of choice on the ring. Place the next stay directly opposite the first one to achieve counter traction. Continue placing stays as needed, opposite each other until appropriate retraction is achieved. As surgery progresses, grab the head of the stay to release and reposition as needed. Do not release the stay from the tail ends. After the procedure, the surgeon releases stay hooks by grabbing the hook end and gently releasing the hook from the tissue. Stay hooks can remain attached to the frame, and the whole ring with stays still attached can easily be handed back to the assistant for safe disposal.